Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kini kilong khubor bokong sal mentakasngi. Sadak komiti Thaw Sorkar benpai kijeng jang nong tray SSA. Kinong tray jang ko all meklia SSA Non Teaching Staff. Kibla pelong kijeng ki nadu men nen kasngi. Kelasong klaim mungal hamadan malki menaksi palai. Hak beri bakani bandawa bakitiu tulop kijong ki kumba berapa persen. Menak strik unailar. Nagaliang Sorkar kalau khat banyak keren ya kiti kena ngilam. Berkata kenhun kaba lakhat banyak keren dau konat ki sangma ha office terkam jongki. Nagaliang presiden kakong Jennifer June Sendram. Haba keren sekelap tak keluar kalau itu bahawa ukonrat rengkat bat komisioner sekretari jong Sorkar adalah kilarai
Iwan ya kendu ya CM sa kontrak ti halor gani ka enhancement of salary ka jongi kadon ka jing appear hapdeng ka jing pan ka jongi demand ka jongi mo kalong gumni ke dan ki member na pdeng jongi ki besha la sha kan tat ko musyong no nei ti kata ka daw ki ong ba kin form da ka committee but hakata committee in long chairman he commissioner secretary education the member in long state project director is jongi nang ta but kibi members na state education commission na deputy secretary education nang ta de na po samagra shiksha na do ka state hado ka district level ti ladang apuli kalong bujrang ti sing laban ai gani ka copy shafi lita Andre ka terms and condition jong ni ka committee de kalong kumni ngan chu puli ka committee ka riban long banpen yakini ki examine lo yakini proposal mo yakini bakila apha yakini ki non academic staff jong ka SSA nang tade ka haban ka committee ka haban pet ban ya compare bat ki de ki society mo ki balong contractual kumangihi nang ta pade ka committee pade ka diban penja lo di kita jinglong mo ba ngi diban shintang shiteng shiliang na ki member ki jongi ndai ka diban inclusive of everyone na do ki cluster level ki block level ki district level hadu ki state level nang ta pade kita ki hierarchy jongka office ka jongi ka under the non teaching staff nang ta pade kini ki recommendation ni haban I know what syai chief minister padan brom jungi tingi yambut bang ngilaya ngilayo ya kapor ban syam commissioner secretary kini committee member bro la syai kapor khatwai beje dang ila adap nang ta ngin sapha kini recommendation jangan ni committee ke jungi syai sya finance nang tapat in sayo ya ka recommendation ke jungi but hakabaya dai pada bakani ka jinga syong sit in demonstration kanum pat kot kat bangin pat yo ya kani ka demand ka jungi dangi ladap lot kini ki eru kanang continue kanang ba dala yo ki demand ka jungi insa kot ya kata ka sit in demonstration.
So are you satisfied with the outcome of the meeting?
We are in the sense that than to exclude someone, it's better we feel it's satisfied at one point of time because all the members are from the association itself, inclusive of from the state office, inclusive from the education department. So we are all in the same loop. So now we will know how to get and all the disparities will be correct. Some members, some of our staff who is at the block level are getting not even a minimal living wage. So in which we can now correct it. So we get this chance and we will work together with our people, with the government, with the commissioner and secretary, and even we'll present this to the chief minister.
So this
have not yet give us the assurance on how much of the percentage will be calculated, but we will sit in the committee in which the outcome can be coming out.
So you will stick to 80% or you will come down from that 80%?
We will always stick to our demands, that is 80%, 2% and 5% increment every year.
So the meeting will be held tomorrow?
The meeting for the members, this committee members will be held tomorrow.
And any time frame being given?
As soon as possible. So means we'll sit tomorrow. If any recommendation comes up, we can put up tomorrow itself.
So by then,
Now, the indefinite sit-in demonstration will continue until unless we get the concrete thing which is related to our demands.
Kong, if you can also tell us.
As I reiterate the words, that they have not included all the members in all the non-teaching staff members in the proposal, of which we have seek clarification from our Commissioner Secretary this morning also, in which it will be withdrawn, because there only some staff has been included, which is not very justified
This some, I mean, the
pertaining to SSA.